savage love. Dancing buddy, break your heart. Look at you, savage love. When you kiss me, get too fast. I just want that. What? Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Is it my channel?
Shane, Shyla, and we are the Longevity Sisters. And it's fall right now. Look how pretty all the leaves are.
And the view.
Hi, I'm the daddy, and we're out through the trails. We're going down this way first, so follow us.
Okay, then. Hey girls, don't run please. We're gonna wait grandma.
We have 3 ways to go. Left, right, or straight.
That way.
I like the idea of going straight.
But this way we already went, so we want to go this way.
Okay, then let's go the other way that you didn't go.
No, that way is you're not going anywhere, Shane.
So
Just
let's
go outside.
Let's go the trail.
So we're gonna follow
Go to
the
blue trail.
blue trail. Okay. Say. Okay.
Hi.
Oh, look at this. There's something else here.
That's if you're gonna follow the yellow
Oh, okay.
trail.
All right. There you
Right? See.
I need a walking stick.
Look. And here's
That would
the
not be a good
blue
idea.
one.
Just don't leave the sticks where they are. Don't hurt the nature. There's the blue trail again.
So that's the path.
Right, some rocks here. Some with some moss on it. Another
So
rock
this
over
is the
there.
path. And then-
I don't want to go that way.
And we're now in the bush further, and you can see the green, the yellow leaves.
different color
Yes,
orange.
different colors. There's more of the markers.
And
No, do this.
Look at all the leaves on the
on the ground. Shiloh. Oh, what did you get? Oh no. Shiloh got the stick.
Oh, Shiloh got a stick.
It's almost like
A marker over here.
So we'll just follow it. Ooh, that is some bigger now.
You look. Blue, the green. And this one has matte on it. This has, I have no idea on it, and then a green above it. You can see we're still following this path, because over here is the blue marker again. And there's Shauna. So just in case you're wondering what she says at the very beginning of the video, she's trying to say, in case you don't have forgotten, my name is Shauna.
Okay, Shiloh. What did you get? Okay, let's go to the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Didn't realize there was a bridge.
We went the last time in here.
And here's another yellow marker. Well, I guess now we're following yellow.
No, there's blue and yellow.
See, there's the blue right there. Come look.
So here's the blue.
Yes. Here's a yellow marker too. Now there's a big hill here. A big mountain. I might need a walking stick too.
Like Shiloh. It's beautiful.
And see how nice and beautiful the trees are? Over here, look at this right here.
Go so dirty. What's that?
Don't touch it.
It shows its age.
Oh,
Like at one point in time, everybody was maybe these or something like that here. It's pretty cool.
that's cool.
How do you know that? Step up this side.
Look at Shane. They're helping.
And they're helping Grandma. How nice.
This way. Hold on, don't go ahead.
And again, there's some blue markers and the yellow thing over here. And look at this over here.
We made all this part.
And we got acorn trees here.
They change color. Last time all of them were green, but now it's like red, orange.
Yeah, the last time
Go
it's green.
fall. And look at this.
It's called fall.
Over here, look at this.
Whoa. Zane, look. Somebody
Looks
built
like
it.
someone's been busy building a fort,
Yeah,
Cute.
kinda. Yeah.
like a teepee.
Yeah. Whoa. Let's go inside. Can we go inside?
Go ahead.
Can I try to go inside?
Stuck in jail.
We're in jail.
No, police, get us out.
I don't want to.
You guys funny.
Okay, now let's go.
Leave it there,
Made
Shane.
this is
Open it up. I think I see a tree right there.
we didn't.
Hi, this is our grandma. She's 86 years old and she's on a trail hike with us.
Grandma's ahead of us.
My legs are tired.
I know.
My feet are because these shoes are so small. I feel like we're just going in around in circles.
Shane.
I want to go up there. I want to go down there. I want to go up.
Fine.
Look at our grandma. How she's so strong. Look how strong she is.
And she's very healthy. Let's continue the trail and we're going to follow the trail.
Sige, baka pag naak. Malak na siya.
There you go, Grandma.
Hey, you can go with this. I got it walking.
This one's mine now.
We gotta find grandma one.
This one's mine.
Here, give that one to Grandma then.
Where?
Oh, look at this. What's this? They donated money to
Did
this.
Yeah. Hey, this one is a blue. Where are you going?
Oh, we can
No, that was. Don't run.
Handle right here. Oh, Mommy, can I tell you something?
Yes.
You fall and you have burns in your hand. Don't touch your eye. I learned that by school.
Yes.
Look at these. These are blue balls.
Good job.
Yeah, where do you see
Show,
that?
show them Maury.
Where?
It's right here. Come on.
Let me see.
Where? Oh!
Oh.
Bruce Tree.
Oh yeah, we already saw that like 2 times.
Yeah.
I just hadn't noticed that until now.
They've been after the trail.
Whoa. Shy looks so fast. Yeah, take a picture.
We're gonna follow her. Nakabasto ni Ina. Nagpartak ka mo magnangamin?
Suatan ko.
Swift Park side trail. Follow the blue lace. It's the parking lot. That's Swift Park.
Okay.
It's the parking lot. So
Maybe we should go
so
with
let's do white.
Okay.
This one's other color.
Yeah.
That's a green one. Now
We
Okay.
never got up there, but we decided to go down here. So
now we're following. Now we're following the
there's so many leaves. Before when we came here, there was only dirt. There's only like a little bit of leaves, and everything's out, and it's like pretty.
Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Turn on the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Please subscribe and help me.